They had their own independent relationship. But as a young tennis player in the tennis courts at Gymkhana, which is now probably a cricket ground, we would watch him play, and he was magical. He has the most extraordinary wrist work. He could spin the ball incredibly well. He had an outstanding anticipation for the ball and would always tell us, guide us, if you want to play tennis, keep your eye on the ball. The second thing which I always remember from my interaction and my observations about him was that he was always a very fair man. The most beautiful thing about sports is that it teaches you how to be competitive without being unfair. A great lesson that we learn is never to cheat, to be kind and gracious. Today's embodiment of these values in the tennis world was Roger Federer. He was like that. Khwaja Saab preceded him by decades, but he was like that. In all our struggles in life, though we cease to be tennis players and gain a lot of weight, but we remember these lessons: to be graceful, to be fair, yet to be resilient and tenacious, to stick to principle, not to relent. And that is the way to move ahead in life. That is the lesson that I learned by watching Khwaja Saab. May we have many more such players in Pakistan, players with sportsman spirit, who guide the nation, the people, imbue them with courage and ambition, as well as the qualities that make good people. We must not indulge in egotism. We get involved too much in what we call ana. That is not a fair fight. Let us all resolve as a people to be fair, to be gracious, and yet tenacious and resilient, and fight to the last delivery, to the last ball, so that we win each other's respect, and so that we also achieve the goals that we set for ourselves. God bless Khwaja Saab, and God bless all those people who are here to honor him. This is a great tribute to pay to him. His, of course, abiding tribute are the members of his family, who to this day are producing great champions. I feel proud of them. I wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
Wise and very true words by the Chief Justice, Umar